over 1.5 billion students were affected by school closures during the pandemic, emphasizing the urgent need for innovative solutions in education. As the world continues to recover, the education sector has been presented with both unprecedented challenges and exciting opportunities for transformation. Advancements in artificial intelligence have brought us to a pivotal moment where traditional teaching methods can be reimagined to address the diverse needs of students worldwide. AI offers the potential to revolutionize education, making it more inclusive, efficient, and effective. Welcome back to AI On, where we explore how artificial intelligence is transforming various sectors. In this episode, we will be diving into the multifaceted role of AI in education, exploring how it enhances teaching, personalizes learning, and addresses some of the sector's most pressing challenges. Today, we'll examine how AI is reshaping education, from creating personalized learning experiences to reducing teacher workloads, and the hurdles we still face in implementing this technology. We'll also hear from educators about AI's potential and the future they envision for its role in education. AI has the power to transform education and help achieve critical goals like Sustainable Development Goal 4, which focuses on providing quality education for all. By leveraging AI, educators can create more engaging and effective learning environments that benefit students across the globe. One of AI's most exciting prospects is its ability to personalize learning. Adaptive platforms can analyze student performance in real time, identifying strengths and weaknesses to tailor content to individual learning styles. For instance, intelligent tutoring systems adjust difficulty levels and provide additional resources, enabling students to learn at their own pace. AI also reduces the administrative burden on teachers, allowing them to focus more on engaging with students. Tasks like grading, scheduling, and feedback can be streamlined with tools like automated grading systems and scheduling assistants, saving teachers up to 10 hours per week. This shift enables teachers to prioritize the most important part of their role: connecting with and supporting their students. Additionally, AI enhances assessments by providing real-time analytics, helping teachers track student performance more effectively. By spotting trends and identifying areas where students struggle, educators can adjust their strategies to better meet their students' needs. However, the rapid development of AI brings significant challenges. One major concern is student data privacy. Schools must adhere to data protection regulations to ensure sensitive information remains secure. There is also the risk of widening the equity gap, as wealthier schools are more likely to afford advanced AI tools, leaving underfunded institutions at a disadvantage. Although the cost of AI is decreasing as technology advances, it remains a barrier for many schools. According to the World Economic Forum, making AI accessible is essential to its full potential in education. Another challenge is ensuring AI complements rather than replaces teachers. While AI can streamline processes and enhance instruction, it cannot replicate the emotional and intellectual connections teachers bring to the classroom. In fact, in a recently conducted Forbes survey, 62% of teachers expressed concerns about reduced human interaction in education. Lastly, there's the growing issue of academic dishonesty. With tools like ChatGPT, students can easily submit assignments they didn't write themselves, raising ethical concerns and potentially harming critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Despite these worries, only 18% of teachers in the same survey believe AI is significantly harming educational outcomes.
For our guest speaker segment today, we'll be joined by Tom Carrick. Tom is a science teacher at the Berlin-Brandenburg International School, Germany, and an avid AI enthusiast. Thank you, Tom. Now, without further ado, let's get started with the interview.
Broadly speaking, there are two categories of how it can be utilized. In terms of the planning and making of resources, but also in terms of assessment as well. So if I was to be using it for planning and creating resources, I'll be looking at using a variety of different types of AIs, do different tools. What I can do there is very easily and very effectively differentiate for different types of learners and different abilities. So for example, if I've got a range of different kind of language learners in a class with different abilities and different reading proficiencies, I can very easily take a particular resource and be able to differentiate that very effectively. And the other part to that was the assessment. So a huge amount of AI is used in the kind of instantaneous feedback. So feedback is, not to go off tangent, but feedback is an incredibly, possibly the most important aspect of any type of learning. And so AI, in terms of being able to give this instantaneous feedback for what you're doing, both in terms of, let's say, automatic marking of a multiple choice questionnaire, but in terms of giving qualitative, nuanced, personalized feedback, is incredibly powerful. So we have all this technology and availability. I would say that the major challenge that AI faces in education is access. I think there's also still a reckoning to be had, because what happens is AI has come along and asked some really big questions. What is the role of a teacher? Are they the purveyor of knowledge? Well, absolutely not really anymore, because any student has at their fingertips all knowledge, and that knowledge can be very effectively provided to any type of student of all ages and abilities. The other thing I would say is that the biggest challenge is also teachers' perception of it, in terms of the resistance of changing and evolving their idea of what an effective learning and a curriculum should do. In a nutshell, yes. So I could unpack that a little bit. Should AI be used on all school assignments? Of course not. Should it be involved in some assignments, whereby the skill of being able to use AI in terms of analysis, I think is absolutely essential, because as I kind of mentioned earlier, this idea of, well, if we put you out into the world and you don't know how to use AI, you're at a serious disadvantage. So AI literacy is an incredibly important thing. And it's our job to not only teach that, but also to guide students in terms of their assessments on the ethical use of it. If you just prohibit everything, you can't learn how to use it effectively. A really great idea I heard a lot of was this notion that AI will be a very good equilibrator. It's going to be able to give access to many different types of learners, depending on wherever they are and whatever they need. This idea of having personalised support, which is almost impossible if you've got a class of 35, which I used to have in the state sector. You can't possibly get around or plan for everybody's needs. AI can do that. And I could see an envisaged world where metrics, the measurements of your kind of cognitive ability tests, your strengths and weaknesses, your maths proficiency, etc., the style of learner you are, all those different metrics that an educational psychologist could make. Well, what if we fed that into an AI? And that AI was literally your one-to-one support assistant. And I think that could be incredibly powerful. So if I had like a wish, let's say I had a wish, I would hope that in the next 5 to 10 years, every student, wherever possible, can have a AI assistant that is specialist trained to support them in who they are.
In the end, AI has immense potential to transform education, but it requires careful consideration and implementation. As it increasingly becomes an inevitable part of our life, education should also encompass AI literacy. Educating students about AI to prepare them for future job markets and responsible use. 61% of teachers believe that comprehensive education regarding AI should be implemented. As AI continues to expand, as much as 60% of educators believe that AI will play a supporting role in education, with around 30% believing it will play a central role. And by addressing the many challenges that come with these rapidly developing technologies, we can harness AI's power to create a more effective and inclusive educational landscape for all students.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to tune in next time for more exciting content by AI On.